How to edit your birth date on Twitter. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your birth date on Twitter. If at the end of this video, guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first thing to do is to open up your Twitter. Go ahead and open up your Twitter. When you open up your Twitter, guys, at the top left corner here, click on your profile picture. Click on your profile, then click on edit profile. When you click on edit profile, guys, it will bring you to this page. Now scroll up until you get to birth date. You can just go ahead and click on it, then come down here, edit date of birth. This can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using this account, either for you or any other person. Just go ahead and click on edit. When you click on edit, it will bring you to this page. This should be the date of the person using the account. Then go ahead and choose the month here. Then you choose the day here. Likewise choose the year here. Then after that, just go ahead and click on continue at the top right corner here. Now the date of birth have been changed. Then after that, go ahead and click on save, because if you don't save it, it will change anything you've edited. Just go ahead and click on save at the top right corner here, and the message you popped up, confirm date of birth. Then you are confirming that the date of birth you entered, this is accurate. If it is not, your account may be affected. Now go ahead and click on confirm. Now your date of birth have been changed or edited on your Twitter profile. So guys, that is how to edit or change date of birth on Twitter. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.